Hi team, welcome to Microsoft Fabric. So in today's session, we will talk about how to copy data from input folder to output folder in the OneLake storage using the Microsoft Fabric pipeline. Okay, let's quickly look into this, how we can able to implement. So to do this, I need to move on to the data factory tab. Within the data factory, so first you need to go to click create. So here you need a storage account in order to create a input folder and output folder to move data from input to output. We need to have a storage account. Let me create a lakehouse storage. Click on the lakehouse. So here this lakehouse storage I am saying Cloud Pandit lakehouse 001. Okay, create it. Within this particular lakehouse, I want to deal with the files, not a tables at this moment. So within the files, I want to create a folders. Okay, just click new subfolder called input. Okay, under a files tab, you need to create a subfolders. So I'll be creating a one more folder called output. Now what I want to do, I want to upload a data in the input folder. To upload data, click on this. You can just go to upload files, browse it. You can go to your I am just moving on to my local storage. Here I'll be selecting the some file. You can just randomly select, click upload. Once you upload this particular file, okay, you can just go to input. You can see this is the file what I have uploaded. You can also preview the data. Once everything is fine, you can see in the input folder I have data, but in output side I don't have any data, no content. Now I want to move this particular file from input folder to the output folder using the Microsoft Fabric pipeline. In order to create a pipeline, just click on create, come down. You can see data pipeline. Click on the pipeline. So you can give the name of the pipeline. Name of the pipeline, I'll be giving it as PL for data ingestion in the lakehouse. Okay. So data ingestion I am doing within the lakehouse. Just create it. Once you create a pipeline, we have some templates that you can able to use, or if you want to start everything from very scratch, you can just click on add pipeline activities. So I want to use copy data activity to copy data from input to the output folder. Just click copy data. So when you choose the copy data, you just click on this copy data activity, you will be seeing something called source side. What is your source? My source is not external or sample data set. My source is within a workspace. I have a lakehouse. What is the lakehouse that you created? I might have a lot of lakehouses, but I have created a lakehouse called Cloud Pandit Lakehouse 001 for this particular lab. So are we dealing with the tables or files? We are dealing with the files. Select files and just browse for your file. So source side, I want to pick the input folder and credit.csv file. So this particular file is a CSV. So I'll be choosing a delimited text at the source side. So these are the only few configurations that you need to set up at the source side. Now come to destination. In the destination side, same workspace. In the lakehouse only I want to load. In which lakehouse? In the same lakehouse I want to load the data. Within this lakehouse, you want to load data into the files? Yes, browse it. I want to copy data from input folder to output folder. So destination is going to be the output. If you're not giving the any file name at the destination side, same as a source side file name, it will be copied. Source side, if it is a credit.csv, same file will be copied at the sync side with the same name credit.csv. Okay. Now it is not similar to our ADF pipeline or Synapse pipeline. We can't debug it. So in order to debug or to do, first you need to validate. It is not mandatory, but safe is you can validate it. So there is no errors we found. Now you can save it. Is this changes, you need to save it. Once the changes are saved, you can just run this particular pipeline. So now you can see pipeline is running. In order to see this particular pipeline runs, you can just click on the run as well. If you go to run also, you can able to see here the output folder. Okay. Now In order to monitor these runs, you also have another option called monitoring hub. You can just go to monitoring hub. So here you can see your pipeline is not started yet. Go inside this. Okay. So you see copy data activity succeeded. In order to see full details, click on this copy data. You can see the number of files read, number of files are written, start time, copy duration. Okay, copy duration. So a lot of other details from what is your source lakehouse, what is your destination lakehouse. All these details we can able to look at from here. As the copy activity succeeded, your pipeline status will be also updating it as a succeeded. So as of now, Microsoft Fabric pipeline status is coming little late. Don't worry about it. So within a 30 seconds or something, it will change it to the succeeded. Okay. Once this is succeeded, now we need to go to our storage. We need to monitor our storage account. Just click on this. So Cloud Pandit Lakehouse, this is our storage. Once you come to your storage, you can see in the output folder credit.csv file. Some people will not be able to see this. If you're not able to see, just click on this, click refresh, so that you will be able to see the credit.csv file is copied into the output folder. So this is how whoever knows Azure Data Factory or Synapse, for them it will be very much easy to understand these things. But whoever is not aware of the Azure Data Factory or Synapse, they can just put little bit effort to learn these things. Okay. Thanks for watching this particular video, Tim. I request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos on the Microsoft Fabric. Thank you.